Hey, 8 months ago I embarked on a journey to lose weight. I did it. I was targeting 10 kilos off me, and then I ended up April losing around 9.5 kilos. It was a good thing. I was really happy, and as a reward, I ate cake on my birthday. I ate cupcakes and everything that's nice. And moreover, I stopped going to the gym because it was getting cold for winter. I was getting slack, and 4 months later, I got 6 kilos back. So, starting August 27, which is my dad's birthday, I'm gonna embark on this journey to lose weight again. I'll be doing more of my meals, planning everything, and I hope I lose a lot of kilos in the span of 30 days. So the challenge right now is doing it 30 days. I don't know what to do. I have a plan, but it's just a plan. So it's gonna be hard for me, but I'll try my best. And to all of you out there who has advice on what to do, if you have lost weight before, and if you have something to tell me, please send me a message or comment below, because I really need it. So I'll be embarking 30 days. Wish me luck.